Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create a fish on Dress to Impress. So select a color that you like for the fish. I'm just going to select this orange one. And then I am going to select this. If I can just put it on. I'm also going to color it the same, and I'm going to select this as well, and I'm going to color that the same. And then I am going to get the fur set as well. Or you can actually go here and instead grab this one. I'm going to color it the same orange color for all of it, for the sleeves. Then I'm just going to get this and then put that on. Wait, why is it uncropped? I'm also going to do silk because fishes are supposed to be this kind of silky material. So I might just do it for all of it. And then for the tail, we're going to use this item from the codes. It's already in silk, so you don't really need to add more. And then for the eyes, we're going to get this, color it black. And then for the cheeks, because it has to be cute, we're going to use this one. Then we're going to color it like this red. And then we are also going to get the Halloween trick-or-treat bowl here. Color all orange, or the same color as your fish. And then we're going to do the pose. It's from the Brat pose pack. It is the Von Dutch one, I believe. Oh no, or the So Julia one. And that's how you can create a fish on Dress to Impress. It only looks that way from this angle. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.